how to get points on the Adidas app. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get points on the Adidas app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to get points on the Adidas app, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up for AdiClub and complete your profile. Step 2. Make purchases while signed into your account on the Adidas app or adidas.com. Step 3. Participate in Adidas runners events and activities in the Adidas running and training apps by Runtastic. Ensure your runs are tracked by GPS or activities are tracked by duration to earn points. Step 4. Complete reviews for products you've purchased. Step 5. In-store purchases require you to show your AdiClub pass or provide your email or AdiClub ID at checkout. Step 6. Check your account for points allocation after your order is confirmed and shipped or within 24 hours for in-store purchases. It may take up to a week in some cases. Step 7. If points are not allocated after a week, contact customer service. So that's how you can get points on the Adidas app. That's all for this video.